Abuja for no pensi yatena se live Adom TV so dwumadi no Agoro Ne Fom memem da bia no yatena se na agudie mu nsem de ko twide ko breman no ye boaboa no kama pa na ye di ho nkoma a enya asem kuma medin de oben kwaku andi ededo na fami papa maestro matena se larger in charge no pa de asiesie kama pa no ye de ba Sergio Manucho ena ye me producer package G7 kama pa de ba camera crew director and afi makeup wo nyina no ebo machi dem se producers na no pa yatena se ewo Agoro Ne Fom dwumadi so a ye de enkomo ne ba na enkomo no ede enti tena se pa na se tena se na tie nsem ne ye pa enkomo no ede ye pa remember say ochina Mother's Day no echina san ye 20th anniversary of the worst incidents disaster in our football. In fact, in Africa, okay, May 9th, the incidents are nipa makumako 126 actually umunkwano. Ochina and market the 20th anniversary of the May 9th. Abrante bakwa and they were special guests. Sad down no wago pramano so unya niti edi demo. And they were a politician. Sounds no a former board member ma Accra to folk were special guest enche obetina say na edi May 9th hon come so far after 20 years no eden as mine no yetumi asua de afiri mu and I'm saying nanse ntem kwa go pama bebre so abehwe na basabasa yabo referee yetutu nkonya ene nsem bebre ene gu so a eko say ya bi ene kofa May 9th e ba ya ene yedi tutu yahofo into the 20th commemoration of the May 9th no you be rem kakra na yedi nkomo na yedi hu details na dia ba bra special guest atena se anopay I will show you. So sounds on March day 23 of the Ghana Premier League and run a chance here and humiliation I was to go abra wafa etinefie ma great Olympics a chain a come in some a man a team you and the games will be air to us so watching now for the final wrap up of March day 23 no nina etimako so these and many more and I don't play this some more good munsem so Adom TV Agoro Ne Fom me the maestro me twam ho aba the bar and come on you be so. Very well, we are back live on Adom TV. So I'm going to form straight into action. March day 23 of the Ghana Premier League and a chance here. Great Olympics set to our wafa. I also got a game. No, Benny and not only I travel so far. No, I 3 maximum points. No, at the about courtesy Mudasiru getting the winning goal for Great Olympics. The highlight.
The beautiful and serene environment here in Sogakope at the premises of the West Africa Football Academy venue for the 23rd week game of the Ghana Premier League. We are live on start times at the Patch Channel 247 as West Africa Football Academy versus Great Olympics at the Wafa Park. Beautiful weather for this clash between two teams who have exhibited some beautiful football in the course of the league and only separated by 5 points on the league log.
Yeah, good game there is here for us to see. One of the best facilities you would have for football in the country in Sogakope for Wafa.
There they emerge out of the tunnel. Glass and Awaku, the familiar suspect leading the team this afternoon here in Sogakope. We're doing 1 minute of silence in memory of the victims of the May 9 football disaster. Wafa. Now it's Olympics who gets the game underway. Abukari with a first touch for Wafa. The calmness, but he's giving away possession. Now here is Wafa. Augustin Boache. Attempt.
Went straight back to the Wafa player, but came to Augustin Boache. He's been their player of the season so far.
And the praise of Philip Saki after making a cameo appearance in that game against Liberty. Now here is Augustin Boache, goes past Kasim with cheeky ease. Oh! Brilliant stuff, but straight to goalkeeper Stephen Kwaku. Augustin Boache can be
at the shots away, but took a look at him. He's so assured when he's on the ball, so confident, knows his body so well, uses his feet brilliantly. Was rushed to take in the
Wafa. Awaku bends one to the near post and it's a brilliant goal from Glass and Awaku. This is majestic, absolutely brilliant. What a goal from the Olympics number 10.
He had different ideas. Catches the goalkeeper on his near post. And you're expecting the goalkeeper to be doing a lot better from there, but taking nothing away from the abilities of Gladson Awaku.
Now let's see how the Academy boys respond. Summit's throwing his headed out and goalkeeper Stephen Kwaku. Ibrahim Abukari gives away possession now. Abe to his brother. That's some good tackling. Good track back from Atip. Whistle goal for the end of the first half. Nateogum has made some switches to his personnel. Picks for his second goal. Is an own goal. Kunedu Ashikwe did all the run, trying to set up.
Too much about it. I feel sorry for him, but there you see, trying to clear the ball, but the
Boache. Ateye Sefo sends the cross in, and Wafa have put one back. This is brilliant. Some good.
Look at the ball for the switch from the other side to him. Lovely control with the chest to get past Saki, and a lovely cutback as well. Subontin was the one who was arriving. Well, a perfect
free kick taken. Header down, and that's the equalizer. Wafa have equalized.
Just a very good ball into the far side. It's Kunedu Yadam on the far side, knocks it back into play. Olympics just can't deal with it. They just can't deal with it. I didn't mention earlier in the first half about the long balls into the far side. Nobody dealing with it. And this occasion is the same thing. Nobody deals with it.
It's Subontin's corner. Header in. Good save. Great goalkeeping from Kwaku.
Well, from some way out there, look at the leap. Look at the power he's trying to generate with the neck mask.
Next stop for Great Olympics. They'll be up against Adriana in Accra. And Mudasiru onto the pass of Joshua Rue. Mudasiru! And the Great Olympics have taken a dramatic lead. Just a minute before the additional 5 minutes, Mudasiru has finally broken his goal scoring way.
Oh, what a story here. What a story here we have in Sogakope. When you just thought these two teams were going to settle for the 2-all draw, it's Mudasiru who pops up with the winner, but it's poor goalkeeping. Question marks over the goalkeeping all over the place, and Osei Bonsu should be doing better with that. You know, Mudasiru did take the strike, he did gamble, he did take the effort, he did credit to him for taking the strike like he did. But you're expecting your goalkeeper, you're betting on your goalkeeper to make the catch. He fails to make the catch. The ball is into the back of the net. And Olympics, they have stolen this. It's a steal, it's a big steal. And it's all 3 points. And it's a big man with his first goal of the season that perhaps gives them these magical points here from Sogakope.
And the big man has every reason to celebrate the way he did. Yes, if you have not scored. Glasson Awako led by example by opening the score with a sumptuous free kick. They went up with a second after Kunedu's own goal, but Wafa had other ideas, came back strongly. Esubontin put one back, and then Justice Totuche drew parity, only for Sebonsu to make that mistake for Mudasiru to score his first goal of the Premier League season.
Interesting scoreline in the Puma Enra match day 23 of the Ghana Premier League, and that guy Mudasiru, in fact, a very strong player. Man for criticizing over and over, but on this crucial moment, you know, on only making the things happen for Great Olympics. Enra, after the game, you know, the Bolra Olympics dressing room, jubilation upon jubilation. Highlight. Very well. And of course, we're the dressing room of Great Olympics. Abra, Umunyasa, massive victory against Wafa. And interestingly, Glasson Awako, one of the finest Ghana has no and afi Samuel Ashikwe, that young chap from the under 20, Wanini Nua Maxwell Abikwe, Omunina James Akamenko, Omunina interesting players. But don't forget Augustine Boache from Wafa, another super champion player. Ghana game no idea ekosri pa enyasim kuma. Still match day 23 and I shall say and I say it was so Linkley Sports Stadium, my brother Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Any Dreams FC at the PM. So 3 p.m. na sa game na eba. You heard the other your parents are etodwa. And Kotoko Dreams FC and no the game ebeba so and afi echina no they Ashanti Gold and 11 wonders at the ebepim so hewo Obuasi Linkley Sports Stadium na afi Busuan abonto dwarfs IDK ID Pande either the best or with the best. Mrane na se cheno no only Legon cities and the ebepim so glorious Accra House of Folk so betene fie and Ken Faisal. I know a game to watch, a must game by all standard. Na fe Liberty Professionals and so bet call Sugako Place. Say hono omobo home games no elho. Na wato no sadia frɛ mediama omo and come league leaders. So and I'm say Great Olympics about 23 games into abeda soro ama mediama abanechi nti after watching game no any other games nyina na be hu say hwan and they clinch the top spot for the table and no ayon koma eba and afa Aduana Stars and the Brekum Chelsea and Karela United and the Bechemi United match day 23 of the Ghana Premier League no say an appearance nyina ACT live Adom TV so Jumedi no Agoro Ne Fom. Ladies and gentlemen, medical candidate papa and nay a politician first. In fact our game and our space no na ya dia odimati ntimai pa Ghana fo nyina enim no pa enyasim konsanso na formally no a board member Emma Glorious Accra Heart of Folk and there a Nasara coordinator Emma the ruling New Patriotic Party. In fact a huge fish bar and no paying ahobrase kwanse and sakano Agoro Ne Fom Adom TV. So Haruna Aziz Futa and I don't pay why I'm a guest, my special guest for that matter. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Bibi aboko de.
Boko.
Salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Chiyanu mi yesha so bibi ekoso.
Yeda nyankopa se yeda Allah se unse chiyanu mi yenda. Yeda after 6 a.m.
Okay.
Because anajuni ni na ye bompa ye sre boniface ni. So it's a big opportunity to for me and the Muslims, no, for India.
Of course.
It's me caller from producer Siju. Say, as a member Adom TV, I watch dancing me9.
Yeah.
It's a MCP.
Okay.
That to make sure, say, because there's a mimi de me fee anyhow.
Okay.
To make sure, say, member.
Fantastic.
That's right.
I'm sure next week you can see a big gooby biana.
Inshallah. Next week or Thursday they be.
Okay.
Into any Crawford they say every day I'm money Talia.
Once again, with us, I say 2 years after. But you share memoir by Craig Hart because formally now you has a board member and
management
member any issues are ever. Is a pressure about coach so some do. Just to deliver.
That's right.
Because a man for few say oba no and your man cost no and share am koi. You remember how but the Great Olympics name wafa game kakra ne the standard of play the Ghana Premier League of late. You saying?
Yeah, I mean I'm very, very happy and impressed about Olympics because Olympics for more than 5-6 seasons they were struggling.
Yeah.
They were struggling as I see, even though you're more this weekend games in NBA, but Omo first in the league table.
Okay.
But we here Olympics are past records that from Langards.
Langards.
Any being so normal Sambe. So
it's also me a landlord so.
Oh me a Langard because I know as a heart boy.
But first round was Heart or Kotoko.
Yes, Matthias. But heart boy, Kotoko boy.
Yeah.
Medium boy. Dawa kobona wa koda fesa o say yen toju na yen from all my they will share the kind of player omo share Olympics ni House of Folk.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Maybe a house true and true.
Yeah.
And the game at Olympics airborne glassing awako. I was so surprised. Yeah. So I sit back. Kotoko can forgive me on this.
Yeah.
I sit back and watch. Let's put say aside say me house ni yana. Kotoko mo share glass in awako. Na makofa this is it Brazilian or
Fabio
Portuguese?
Gama.
Fabio Gama.
Yeah.
We have Fabio Gama. Now we have Glasina Wako. They have the same style of play. But Glasina Wako is more experienced, more quick on the ball. He thinks fast. His touches, his crosses. Fantastic.
Very excellent, yeah.
So I think, why do you have to go and spend money on such player? And meanwhile, you have a Glasina Wako in the country, ubit me, afano.
Nana mo mo hoyere. Has for no montiana. I don't know what the one of na mo check with the first woman.
Say, we set up now, Kotokofone Kofa, can say Fabio Gama. But I can tell you, say, Glasina Wako has been, so Okasemema best player of the season. I'll give it to Glasina Wako.
Of course.
I don't even agree with Coach Siki Akuno for even putting him on the bench of the Black Stars. He deserves to play. Static because he's a fantastic player.
Therefore, Dano, you didn't build second half. A man for cry, second half, no. Kakano Bebo and Khan, he was better than all the players.
Oh, of course, because Osha, he has the control.
Yeah.
He has this flair. Steve Apiamo, Sule Muntari, Macalesian, this Lahi Kinsel and them. Utimu say, yes, this is a player. What being on? So I agree. Say, look, Olympics is doing well, and say Omuda the table, no, Omudi kind, because they need that motivation. Local league now is getting more attractive. Yeah, it's getting more competition here, more strong.
Competitive, yeah.
Yeah, and we share the way game no so corner. I'm so happy. Today I will put it in the way. Say Hearts and Kotoko are even struggling to come on the top of the league. It shows Olympic, Mediama, any Ashanti Gold, Indiana, and even Dreams FC. Yeah. And Dreams FC to beat Accra for 2-0. Or home. It's kind of this thing. I'm so happy the way a Premier Division, you know,
very well. Another interesting story about Samuel Bodo, head coach, Accra Hearts of pressure on him. Papa Iba enche but I think say starting that's a man for say one tree because typically radio vocal champion 3 man has to focus by of you say number 3 no yemfama obi from or denchimo na yemfa no kwhye baby how supporters shall say kasai almost a performance in share that in pressure eba Samobodu so we the formally now a management member what sign phobia true and true they na be catch supporters in
the how supporters should know this. Sir, this is a very controversial issue. Me, as a former management member, former Chapter O chairman, and also a former NCC first vice chairman, I can tell House of Folks, look, you see, this coach, Obayron, me share the key. Because the me na me nimno.
Yeah.
Na me nimno. But Oya, Obayron has a dahin, and as I say, dahin.
Okay.
You have to do that permutations, you see, and see his tactics. Because all the Kotoko saw against Kotoko, so don't also against Kotoko. All of us, we were surprised. Even though that game, both teams just disappoint the fans. Because we were expecting, I mean, who has match? I mean, Kai has no Kotoko game. First half, Yabema Kotoko penalty. Now Sama has penalty. Normally, normal about attacking. Me who be that? You see, and which I say maybe either is the coaching or is the players who know Omonyade. But I mean, this thing I may be on that coach. A local coach in the House of Folk, Maestro, who could be a coach now, he will explain the hell that is going through.
From who? From who?
From the board.
And management, right?
I'm telling you, from the board and the management, because the OBABR, the board has to put their interest there. I'm telling you, I've been there and I've seen it.
But one can't, sir.
One can't. Because he's protecting his job.
But no supporters,
somebody who's Obi bet na the comfort office. And an fee. On training ground. on share the clip, boys, no, the 30s or move up, maybe cross stadium cromba, but he will detect to the coach. If the coach is not strong enough, he can't get it. Okay. But this number 3 guy now,
Radio Vocal.
Radio Vocal, I have opportunity to watch him. It's fantastic. He's tackling, he's attacking, and his crosses and everything.
Team on quite a born national team. Down Congo ne Senegal. A boy, Sadio Mane, what man I'm fan of
You see?
Now if we the country about mama not chance until I think this particular
it is very bad. I think sir, coaching need to wake up because House of Folk is a big platform. Yeah. So Unya Kwana o coach House of Folk. Sika Kuno is coaching the Black Stars today because he has an experience of coaching House and Kotoko.
Yeah.
If you have this opportunity to coach this kind of clubs, you don't joke with it. This number 3, I can ask him. You're fantastic. You're fantastic.
Number 3.
It's true.
Because
it's true. It's true. Now fixing now they look to baby now. I think it's very bad of the coach.
Very well. But yeah, show me give it because saying can find some. I like you say so a wounded lion.
That's right.
Because of relegation.
Yeah.
And now no buy or being a point with Interlights. No, what promising the players and say coin biaso. They will have to beat her to fucking Accra.
I like you there, somebody saw me, Papa. As I confess on so there. It is a few team, but House of Folk is House of Folk. House of Folk is House of Folk. We are beating Confessor for sure. Our Accra Sports Stadium. I'm telling you, because now, many akambi mo ne NCC, especially Kasima, or deputy PRO for the NCC, no many needing come on. Okay. Because I made a program, I have to prepare.
Of course.
Yeah, because this is a national television.
Yeah.
And now they give me a certain mindset. Look, House of Folk players, they are ready to win this league. Oh yes.
Win the league?
Yeah, they are ready to win this league.
Wow.
So they are not going to allow any club so especially on their home ground, Accra Sports Stadium. Okay. So I can tell you for a fact, tomorrow's game, May 9th so. We say May 9th so a huge this thing for the country, especially House of Folk and Kotoko. Yeah. You see, so I believe say Ochinano Crown, House of Folk and King Fesa will wear
but Enra start here, Wafa ne Olympics game no. They letter by so be more black armband into all the games no.
Fantastic. Fantastic. But maybe I know so because that is not enough. But game now has be born Ochinano. We are going with a serious emotion. We are going with a serious emotion. Ochina 20 years. Yeah. For me now. It's your Accra Sports Stadium. So I believe say all of us are going to be there. Yeah. Are going supporting House of Folk to make sure say we win the game and be clean. Say they will be back on the top of the league.
Very well. Now yet Famiko Boase Kakai Dreams FC. Now interestingly, Koroko coach Mariano Barreto said it is funny he's playing with Dreams team Nira FA president. A man for shall say a debate about it, say comment and share and fair. But maybe feel say on your English or Portuguese. It be the meaning and no person the banner. Any be a ye or say it is funny. So on Dreams never bar Dreams no owner the FA president. Oh Ghana had I mean interesting. But and 3 p.m. or was
it? You see Barreto. The same Barreto on Coachy Black Stars.
In 2004. Yeah.
So you should know Barreto with his controversies.
Yeah.
What's it matter? You should know Barreto and his controversies because no, Sana out here. What is wrong with it? Said the GFA president owns his club. It shows that he's a football person.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you for sure. Dreams FC beating Accra House of Folk has given them a certain confidence. Yeah. Because House of Folk and Kotoko are in the same level. Yeah. Ghana League, just say, the current China or Africa has. But I know there, so Berotunja as Sema Okano, he should concentrate on his game. The FA president, yes, he has an influence, but what influence does he has on the referees? Yeah. I don't know how appointed referees. Yes, so on Jai no Dreams are capable of beating Kotoko in Nklen Stadium. I'm telling you.
And beating and also sharing the I said 2 in a row. Because last 2 weeks, no, media ma share until we used to question and I said 2.
That's right.
So show me too many honey. The boss told me you know even honey pressure beba.
And Bereto is aware.
Yeah.
Say, he knows say defeat on Midiama.
Yeah.
And Sana dreams coming with a win against Accra House of Folk.
Well motivated side.
Well motivated side. Yes, they are GFA club. Let's say the GFA president own it. Directly, he doesn't work with the dreams now because he has become a national figure now. Again, Black Stars and the national teams. No. So I can tell you, say, Jijimu, Prince Mo, ne, Omo Makika, Omo handle the club, no, and Omo Nina, no, so no. I know the club that they support originally.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying? I know the club. Omo Preshi say. Omo Preshi say, na yeni no na ye chapter. Wow. So I know the kind of mentality. And enye Kotoko versus Dreams. And ye Kotoko versus House of Folk.
Oh, okay.
I'm telling you.
And you say Dreams are done has ketwa.
Next. And I'm telling you the kind of way I want to be called. So Bereto is aware he's going to lose this game.
Fantastic. I was for Adom TV, no. Agoro Ne Fom and when you go to Ocean. You try and about briefly about you so Aziz Harun Afuta, Nasara coordinator, the ruling NPP, and the former management member, Mark Glorious Accra to Folk. The 20th anniversary commemoration of May 9th, you know. Yabani abedi hunko wanam say or eyewitness no honomo. The course nyina no e honfoni ye de brɛ what. Very well, welcome back. Adom TV. So Agoro Ne Fom Jumedi no na eba na nche kra na ye rap up. You be see the main issues no ye de ba na ochina 2 p.m. na pa ye Jumedi no Adom TV so live. Udum say china Mother's Day enti we show all mothers special Mother's Day. Especially me ankasa mame Mrs. Christiana AJ. Me dey na my friend no mafia because we say we discipline we pa. We sure say we hwe me ma awu pada and say awu eda ye pakese pa and afi me ankasa me nuaba penny sister Jackie and afi Veronica say wa pipra mu nyina no Mother's Day sonko and dey ma nti mo nyina ene awofo nyina wo kina hwe dwumadi no 2 p.m. ewo Adom TV so na chede bibre ene wuma ye de eba ye call the 20th commemoration of the disaster day, the May 9th. In fact, in Africa, you who be da in see baby. It was a Wednesday. Na UTT and 7 na a big game between Accra to Folk and Kumasi Asante Koroko. Mean to me kan ho asem kese. Abra Haruna Aziz Haruna Fota wa ha ono de no di House of Folk matintiman ti de course nyina no obetimi aboye nkomo. Haruna ansa na me footages ne beba no. 20 years down memory lane. Ede na ukai. That day na nkasa na infa na wo dey in lead wa Kura Park ne so na narrative story nkakra because 20 years there and kwada omudi achi 20 years nyina no bibiri na ante bibiri na ehu enti ye narrative na mbie picture bi adwene emfa mankora enne na omudi 20 years no mo hu de asi emre bi atwam
me da say first of all no me pese omo ka baby our May 9th ni na no Nyankopon fa mo body che na mo form kre en omkran see na omo ma on baby ba enda
amen
because it's easy. Wow. It is not easy at all. So you see they be coming now far Indra you could feel after prayers no like yeah chapter 4 ayaka ne di me na for hunkum obi adi ni isi na kofi
wow
oh yeah because me na no chapter 1 ankasa no omo mo hwi omo nkwa o me na 33 so 36
chapter 4 nkwa
yes
wow
yini na Nyankopon energy and free mu
na chapter 4 now you're
na me a chairman
wow
by then Nyankopon yini na free me because it wasn't easy. Enya easy o.
Na me di pa enye easy. Enye easy.
easy.
126.
Yeah. But I believe Christ more than that.
If I all share TV no so they see on that day, that fateful day, and Wednesday, and you maybe after the game, no, and I all share our screens, so bloody incidences, and of course, a disaster way now in Africa. In fact, up until now, you won't be your baby. I will not trust mommy.
And it was Wednesday, has ni kotoko game. Wednesday, yeah, the Adibia has ni kotoko ebo matcha. Chapter 0, what we do is we do whatever we have to do because by then, in 20 years ago, I was like 20-something years.
That's 2001.
Yeah, that's 2001. 20-something years, a young man leading Chapter 0. So it wasn't easy. That particular day, yeah, you go stadium, you go straight to Bibia Ayayati. The main knife stand.
Okay.
And when I pool nachi. So that particular day, no, you free nima, you take kama, you free nima eba. You decide say that traffic is so you decide say by in Siwo conference center.
Okay.
You see your conference center, then for some amboni jama.
And Nantinko.
And trust me, ye kono. Yet me round park nichi, stadium nichi. You go stadium nichi twice.
Wow. You try whom you know.
You try whom you know, and sana be ra stadium. Be ra stadium. Yeah, we are in the mood, sir, because we know what we have done, and we know spiritually we prayed, and we can your Quran in here, man. So we know, sir, by all means we are beating Kotoko.
Okay.
Kotoko share first go.
Lawrence J. Go.
Lawrence J. Share first go now. Yes, we are Tiana Ishmaelado.
Ishmaelado, I'm for say offside. Pa.
So we are in the mood of jubilating. In fact, I was with my vice chairman, Mohammed. Onu say neba. Neba. He say neba ochina neba benya 20 years.
Oh.
Yes, because that mean I've been seeing and dana na wo neba.
Wow.
Yes. Danana ya wo neba. Nti onu Mohammed no na me no ye kura emu. Ye wuri ye jumpy so tear gas no na separate here.
Oh, okay.
In the tear gas no separate here no. Let me share my experience. So I also have to run. Say me be free or I be far a kwanu me see. Maestro. Yogurt. Me who yogurt will form set tear gas no nipa ntimi bi ni.
Okay.
Me who yogurt I will form me fa yogurt no yogurt na me dey.
O dey huhuru wani.
Me dey me huru me ni. Me dey me kra yogurt ni say no ba bi gi yogurt no free me nsem.
Ono so yero, ono so dey be.
Ono so wuru. Oh you say neni.
Hey.
So nipa say. So she say me nanti e free hono. No knowing the entrance gate no so was locked.
Exit na
kakakre bi. So me nanti akọ na me feel me nine on the a form no. Na enti me kono so then I start feeling say no me na no any form no so bi me nam nipa so. Maestro,
too bad.
I'm telling you, it's an experience that I don't wish anybody. I don't wish anybody, any human being, say he will face this experience.
Wow.
Before I realize, let me some akoda, my talk unkofo so say, let me some unkofo me so.
Unkofo so ne namo so.
Let me see voice. Oh, bacho me wo.
Oh.
I'm telling you. Hey. Oh, me wo. Oh, me wo beti ha.
Nakasa ne mebiem.
Nakasa ne mba. Me hu me nipa bi chapter 0 member bi no ogina. Hall nechi say gate entrance no. Nechi say our dreams cry.
Okay.
Na me friend no na me tini me sa afre no o say oh Aziz ba yawa me so mintimi
oh na be my Aziz
hey I said before I realized no na me was 37 I'm telling you so no 37 I mean me ni bi ya yo we na me bisa we me bo we di an say awu me bo we di an say wo me bo we di an say wo me bo we di an say wo
too bad
so it is not something that I wish say this thing ABCB I'm telling you.
But Aziz, 20 years down the lane, still like a game, you know. Over Tiasi, a couple referee, over Tiasi, a couple Tunkunya, over Tiahe, Nano drops near Diana, referee Chamatin, and your police in Cranky be a Bonukuno. And that's a insane BBM free, sir.
Bonukuno. Why am I saying this? Because you have 20 years ago, Omo Stadium, say, Crying Farm said, now we are 10 years.
Yeah.
Omo Stadium, say,
yeah.
Farm said, no more 10 years. He says, more 30 years.
Yeah.
They don't know anything. They only name as some AC was stadium. They don't know.
Wow.
And you have FA. You have sports ministry. You have sports council. Every year, what they do is to organize a small ceremony.
To commemorate it.
To commemorate it.
8 o'clock, baby, sir.
To commemorate it. Nobody is there to share the experience. One, no any workshop to talk about hooliganism. No security at the stadium.
Yeah.
Inti nipa na iba, why too passionate in a house of folk. Nipa na 30 years, all that he has is girlfriend. His girlfriend and his club. Asa. Nipa oye 20, 25 years, 30 years. Bako they worry.
Yeah.
So all that the person has, his girlfriend, his club. Oba, House of Folk must win this match. Kotoko must win this match. Mediama must win this match. Olympics must win this match at all costs.
Yeah.
And the referee as a human being, onokrabeti a little mistake, no. And also say, laws no na who supporter no unnim. Now referee apply a certain law that you are not aware of it. Unnim unteda. There be, as I said, me too Shugu Park no so. I said me fire a ball, I have to attack the referee. I said me to Tunkunya because nobody is there to educate these fans.
We chapter 1 of our discussion. So our discussion, I think some Monday, who be here say saying a share radio to near to because a brain in the way and check around maybe fan news no. Because as I'm not touching me. If I don't pay, I may share refuge no. Referee was insane from Cape Coast. They say was so a giant officiating. Go back to classroom. Or share mathematics. Now or share the experiences need the loss of the game. Supporters in Tiasie and the decision no take care near to Tunkunya near to Twabo. Commission Tenase in my report SEN be why you this be why you so. And I think that as a country no or see a man so
as a FA crown security instructor at the FA. My name is Juma Oy.
Oh yeah.
The Ministry of Youth and Sports, they also have the same person, somebody that is in charge of security. Or something.
Last is baby. Aziz, we say, oh my man, I'm happy a year Mother's Day. China fe yemfensi ya.
Me mama de Ajia Nafisa Haruna Gadu Futa. Onoka baby said in 20 or 25 years but she has been a wonderful mother. Our year bako 12.
Wow.
One mother, one father, 11 boys, one girl. she's one of the best women. Apart from Onono, so the best woman in my life, Maestro, or guiding me with everything.
Yeah.
My wife.
Okay.
Aja Adiza.
Okay.
Aja Adiza. Bibi Owobi no me salute no. Mano, happy Mother's Day.
Okay.
Just last 3 weeks and so. Oba.
Fantastic.
Aye friend Sidika Edemame. Inti ono there. Between Swama, sorry. And all the mothers.
Okay.
Market Jimfua. National Women Organizer of New Patriotic Party, NPP.
Okay.
And also, me happy Mother's Day.
Mate. Me da sepa, we say for ya di dwede nyina esi me din e de maestro. Odi for tewia. Odi wo keep cool so hwe dwede na fe me chiao e na fe. Lawrence Adetia ye president in my group no so me chiao e na fe ye Patricia Akwaboa. Also happy Mother's Day special. And I'm able show. And I feel all wonderful mothers. A child be me did the maestro team nina at time Sergio Manucho and I feel camera crew, lighting director, and I make up until same at that time next week on the same platform. Peace and blessings. That's right. So news next.